I just tested out this pop-up builder and this is so damn easy and powerful. Let me show you out. So in this pop-up which I have built with this pop-up builder, I have added my email address and the name, and when I click here on the get discount, I will got this discount voucher code. So this is called multi-steps pop-up, and using this tool I can just add as much steps as I want here. So hey guys, this is Basant here, and today's video I'm going to show you such a good pop-up builder which you can use almost any kind of the website, whether it's your Shopify, WordPress or the custom coded with the just single line of the code. And the best part, you can add the multiple steps in your pop-up. It has this so many templates available which you can use with the single click in your website. Like we have the different categories, whether you want the pop-ups, sticky bar, flyouts, gamifications, and you want for the sales or the updates, notifications, or you want to simply do the email marketing, this platform lets you do here. More than, I think it has the 100 plus pop-ups already available on the platform with the different categories. Right now I am only showing you for the sales purpose, that is the Black Friday. When I click here on the Christmas, I got the more kind of the templates available here. Let's go with the email or the lead generation here. So I will select the email and the lead generation. Now it will only show me the pop-up templates that is available for the lead generation. Now let me show you out the sticky bar. So I will click here on the sticky bar, and now I have the template available. So for every kind of the purpose, there's the template you will find out in this platform here. Now let me talk about what is this platform here and how you can use it. So this is Onvocado, and you can use it for the different kind of the purposes. It has so many templates available, and if I talk about its pricing, right now it is starting from the around 45, and this is I think European currency. Yeah, this is European currency per month you have to pay, and there's also the free plan available. But here comes the good part, its lifetime deal is also available on the AppSumo. So simply go to the AppSumo, search the Onvocado, you will find its lifetime deal, or you can just get the link in the description. So on the AppSumo you will find it around the $59 one-time payment here. So let me go to the plans and features, and you can see here for the single tier plan you can get the access up to 2 domains and 30,000 visitors you can show the pop-ups. If you have more than 2 website or have the visitors count more than 50,000, I suggest go with at least the tier 2 plan, because here you will get 100k visitors per month which you can show the pop-ups here. And the pop-ups you are going to generate with this platform, you can also get or set up the trigger, like when it will be appear, whether the certain time is spent or the scrolling of the page, or my favorite one is the exit intent here. So I will show you out. So let me get started here. So once you got its lifetime deal, this is the how you are going to onboard. It is going to ask you your business name and the website URL. Simply add that and click on the get started, and after that you will be on the dashboard here. So we will click here on the create our pop-up. This is the first option you are going to see on the your front screen. Now it is going to show you the template, so whether you can select which kind of the thing you want to create here. We have the sticky bar, we have the pop-ups, we have the flyout, we have the gamification. So let's get started with the pop-ups here. I will select the pop-up, and then we have the categories, whether I want to do it for the lead generation, coupon or offers, announcement or custom segmentation. So I will go with the lead generation or the coupon and the offers. I can also select the multiple categories. Then we have the industries available. If you have any of these related industries, you can select. Let me get started with this one, that is the business. So I will select this one, and now we have the really highly relevant pop-ups available that we can use. But here's the best part, it has also some themes available based on the colors, like the Black Friday available, we have the monochrome, New Year or the winter. So when you are selecting these themes on the default, you have to untick this one so it can show you all the available pop-ups. Let me get started with this one, that is the Black Friday. Okay, I don't know why it is not showing. Let me go back to default, click here on the Black Friday. Is there something still? Okay, I have to also select the pop-up here. Let me refresh the page, and now this time let me select the Black Friday, and now it is showing up. I don't know what was that issue. So I'm going to select any of these themes available. So I will select this one. Let me click here on the preview. You will see this is how it is going to look like. So simply we are going to use this one for our site. So let me use the template here, and now after that it is asking me the name. So I'm going to make it the demo, because I am just giving you the demo of this tool, how you can create the pop-ups and how you are going to integrate with your website. Now let me click here on the confirm, and now it will open the editing panel where we are going to do the customizations or some editings in our pop-up here. So editing section is available. So simply to edit anything, like I want to change the image, so I will click here on the image element, and now on the right side I have the editing options available. Suppose I want to change this image here, so simply I have to click here, and now I can upload from my desktop to that image here. I can also change the background color. Now I will click here on this text element, and now I can change the text element here. I can change the font size, all those stuff. So this is the first step of our pop-up, and this is the second one. Suppose you want to add the new step in this pop-up here, so I will click here on this plus icon, and now I can add the more steps. This is the third step. Okay, this is the fourth step. So that's how we can add the more steps. So let me tell you how you can add or create this third step here. So once you click, this is the theme is added. Now I can add the headline of the text. Okay, I can add the more things like let me go to the settings, content. Okay, let me make it a little bit above here. Yeah, okay, then after that I want to add the more image. I can do that. So basically that's how you can add the more elements in your third step of the pop-up. Now suppose I want to add a button, so simply I will drag and drop this button element, and now this button will be added. After that you have to just customize the colors, the elements, settings, or that's all. Your pop-up is done with the multi-step. So once your pop-up is built, you have to click here on the preview, so you can check it out how this looks like. So this is our first step. This is, I have to add the information so I can show you out. So let me fill up. Now click on this button here, get discount. This is the second step of the pop-up, working really good. Let's click on the again, and this is the third step. Okay, the third step doesn't load it. I don't know why. So I have to see why it's not loading. So let's see, continue shopping, and now I have to go to the I think setting, close widget. Yeah, this is closing the widget, but we want to go to the next step. Okay, so we will click here on the next step, and now it will be live for the next step. Let's click again on the preview. Now I have to enter the information again. Okay, click here on the button. This is the second step. Let's click here on this button again, and this is the third step. Okay, so make sure you also connect all these steps in your pop-up here. So once your pop-up is built, we have to click here on the next, and now here we are going to configure the display settings, the triggers. So we have the multiple triggers available when this pop-up will appear on your website. So we have the automatically trigger. This is going to automatically find the best options to pop up so on your website here. Okay, but we have also the ribbon trigger. So in the ribbon trigger we have some options available to change, like we can change the type or the position. Then we have the scroll. So when a person scroll the page a certain amount like this pop-up is going to be appear. Then we have the exit intent. So when your cursor will be going to exit the tab, the pop-up will appear. Then we have the show after and the click based. I'm going to go with the this one, that is the scroll, and let's make it a little bit 20%. Then we have the frequency, on which timing we want to show this pop-up here. I can select here, and then this is the target visitors. Now everything is done. Let me click here on the next step. Now on this step we are going to publish the pop-up and connect it with our website. So let me show you how you can do that. So on the third step, make sure you first publish the pop-up here that we have created. Let me publish here, and now once your pop-up is active, you will see this notification as well. You have to copy this code. This is the code you are going to see in the below part of this here. Let me copy this, and you have to go to your website here. I am using the WordPress site, but you can use this code to add in your website header part, no matter it's your Shopify store, custom coded, or the WooCommerce store. In my WordPress site, I am using the code snippets plugins. With the help of this one, I can easily manage my header and the footer code. So this is the header part, and simply I have to paste this code in the header. So you can see this is the code I have pasted here. Let me save this settings. So this is the saving right now. Yes, it's saved. Now let me back to here, and now what I have to do, I have to verify this pixels whether it's available on my website or not. So simply click here. When after publishing this code on your website, click here on this one, that is check embed code present. So now it is going to open a screen. You have to simply scroll. You remember I have configured this pop-up to appear when I scroll up to 20% the screen, and you can see the pop-up is appearing. See, so means everything is working really smoothly here. Let me close the tool here, and now you can see you verify embed code present in this website here. So everything is done, and we have just added our pop-up on the website here. Now let's back to the dashboard, and here we can see how many impressions, clicks, or the leads I got in my pop-up here. Okay, suppose I want to do some editing changes in this. So how I can do that? So once your campaign is active, you have to simply click here on the edit button, and now you can do the adding changes or whatever the changes you want to do in your pop-up. You can do that here. Okay, let's back to the dashboard here. And that's how simply the overall tutorial I have showed you how you can use this Onvocado pop-up builder to connect with your website, and you can craft your pop-up and how you can control the triggering to display on your website. Okay, now let me go to the again here and go to templates, and now suppose I want to create a new pop-up. So the process is again same. You have to find out your objective fulfilling pop-up or the sticky bar here. This time I am selecting the sticky bar and I'm going to go with this one. So simply click here on the use template. You have to give it a name. I'm going to make it let's test. Click here on the command confirm, and now we are on the editing panel. So again we can add the multi steps in this sticky bar as well. So let's go to the second, and then I can drag and drop the elements. Let's make it a headline here, and with the headline I want to add a button here. So this is how. So let's go to settings and make sure you click here on the next step if you want to connect these two steps with each other here. Go to the next. Here you can control the settings. I'm going to go with the automatic trigger. Go to the next, or here we can need to just simply publish. And because on the previous part we have already connected our website, so we don't need to copy the this embed code again on our website. That is the just single time you have to paste the code on your website header part, and simply now you have to create the pop-ups, sticky bar, and click on the publish, and those will be the appeared on your website here. So isn't this tool is really amazing and so easy to use? Now let me talk about its lifetime deal. I already told you it's starting from the just $59, and with the higher plans you are going to get the higher limits of the domains on which you can use the Onvocado, and the higher people you can show the pop-ups here. So from the tier 3 plan you can connect up to the unlimited domains or the website here, and there's also a 60 days money back guarantee. Somehow if you're not happy with the Onvocado features, there's the no strings attached. You can refund it within the 60 days and your 100% money will be back. So this makes the all the lifetime deals risk free here. So that's all for today's video I want to talk about. I hope you really enjoyed this video on the Onvocado. Hit the like button so I got to know you are enjoying this kind of the videos here, and make sure you also subscribe this channel to stay updated. And bye bye, take care. I will see you in the next one.